Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Oriveti's latest offering, the Black Lowmaster. Priced at $149, these IEMs boast a hybrid driver setup featuring 2 balanced armature drivers and 1 dynamic driver. Let's check it out. Inside the box you find a pair of sleek 3D printed shells with a 2-pin detachable cable, a beautiful carrying case, a bag of white silicone tips and a bag of black silicone tips. The Lowmaster is definitely one of the most visually striking IEMs I've handled recently. They feature medium-sized 3D printed shells with a carbon fiber faceplate, which not only gives them a premium aesthetic but also contributes to their robustness. The materials used in the build are solid and the finish is flawless, suggesting that they can withstand regular use over time. The included detachable 2-pin cable is another durable component. It's designed to resist wear and tear, and the lack of microphonics indicates that it's built with practical use in mind. The 3.5mm connector feels very secure, reducing the risk of accidental disconnections or damage during handling. Comfort and fit are top-notch, reminiscent of the excellent OD200 which I reviewed not too long ago. The Lowmaster provides similar isolation and a secure fit. The build quality is impeccable, making it hard to believe that these only cost $149. They could easily be mistaken for a far more expensive pair. Internally, the Lowmaster features a custom layout with 2 balanced armatures paired with a 10mm composite dynamic driver. The technical specifications are also promising, with an impedance of 16 ohms, a sensitivity of 106 dB and a distortion rate of just 0.08%. Everything looks great on paper, but let's see how they perform in real-world listening. When a manufacturer calls his IEMs Lowmaster, it's clear they set the bar high for its low-end performance. To test these claims, I immersed myself in a variety of electronic music, focusing particularly on Kraftwerk's classic hit Autobahn, played on an Ibesso DX260 DAB. Overall, the Lowmaster excels in delivering a balanced yet powerful bass experience, making it an excellent choice for fans of bass-heavy genres. The bass is deep, fast and snappy, providing a mighty performance that never feels overbearing or detracts from the rest of the sound signature. Instead, it seamlessly supports the track's immersive electronic landscape. The mid-range stands out with its technical precision. The Lowmaster doesn't color the sound excessively, nor does it lean too heavily into a mid-range focused signature. Vocals exhibit appropriate clarity and detail, resulting in a natural, pleasant and relaxing presentation. The mids are well layered, allowing for a clear separation of instruments without any convolution or muddiness, even in passages with multiple layers of sound. This meticulous mid-range performance significantly enhances the overall listening experience, especially given these IEM's competitive price point. The treble, although slightly recessed, works harmoniously with the mids to deliver a balanced and cohesive performance. There's no sibilance or unwanted sharpness, regardless of how critically you listen, and the treble perfectly complements the dominant bass, ensuring that it never overshadows the primary low-end emphasis. This subtle treble tuning ensures that the high frequencies remain unobtrusive, allowing the powerful bass to remain the focal point without any distractions. For those who prefer a livelier upper register, a slight EQ adjustment might be needed. However, for my taste, the highs perform admirably straight out of the box, blending seamlessly into the overall cohesive sound. The soundstage is respectable and wraps around the listener, providing ample space between instruments. While it may not boast the most expansive width, the soundstage remains functional and enjoyable. The true strength lies in its dynamic capabilities and excellent separation, which help maintain clarity even during complex musical passages. Imaging is precise, with instruments and vocals well placed without any muddying or confusion, unless the source recordings themselves are poorly mixed. Despite the slightly limited width, the Lowmaster avoids any claustrophobic sensations. striking a pleasing balance between the scale of the sound and the perceived distance of the sources. This creates an engaging listening experience where the music feels neither too intrusive nor too distant, but instead offers a well-rounded and immersive performance. The Oriveti Lowmaster has a few areas where it could improve. For example, the soundstage, while decent, is not the widest, which could make certain tracks feel a bit more confined than desired. Additionally, the treble, though well tuned, is slightly recessed and may not satisfy those who prefer a more lively and bright upper register. The focus on the bass, while excellent, might not appeal to listeners who prefer a more neutral or treble forward sound signature. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Lowmaster excels in many key areas. The bass performance is outstanding, deep, fast and snappy without being overwhelming. The mids are impressively detailed and clear, providing a natural and pleasant listening experience, especially with vocals and complex instrumentals. The build quality is top-notch, with a premium look and feel that rivals more expensive models. The comfort and fit are excellent, ensuring a secure and enjoyable wear even during extended listening sessions. The Lowmaster offers a remarkable price-performance ratio, making it a strong contender in its category. The Oriveti Lowmaster IEMs impress with their deep punchy bass and high build quality, offering a sound experience that far exceeds their modest price tag. While the soundstage and treble may not satisfy everyone, the overall performance, particularly in the bass and mid-range, makes these IEMs a compelling choice for anyone seeking a balanced dynamic listening experience at an affordable price. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!
再等5分钟，化妆下楼，催也许没用，我有步骤。你的衬衫靠着微笑，你配了一双新球鞋，你的发型那么亮眼，我要睫毛翘一点。你总是包容我缺点，你随身携的我照片，你的笑容和我新鲜。你让我感觉